Hey everyone, this is Gerri, and today I'm going to just kind of real quickly go over collections and collection sets and why it's so important to organize your photos using the collections in the Lightroom tab. So you're going to find the collections and collection set on the left hand side of Lightroom. And so the main reason it's important, so I'm going to show you my desktop really quick, just to kind of give you a sample. See all these pictures I have on my desktop? Nobody wants to try to find a picture like that. So whenever we keep these in Lightroom, we're going to organize them so you can find them really quickly. You won't even have to think about it because of your organization. You're just going to be able to look over here and know. So this is how I organize a wedding. So the first thing I do, I import the photos. When they're imported, I'm going to sort them right away. I'm going to show you how to make a collection set. So if we see our collections at the side, and you see this plus sign, you're going to click it, and a drop down is going to come. You're going to click Create Collection Set. And then you're going to type the name of your collection set. That should not be check marked because this is a collection set. Type the name of your collection set and click Create. I'm going to just kind of make one to show you. So I've made a new collection set, but now a collection is going to be a folder inside that collection set. So you can think of a collection set as the main folder, and the collection has your subfolders, collection versus collection set. That's kind of the way I think of it in my mind. So now I'm going to add a collection set. I'm going to do a test to show you. We're going to hit the drop down again, and we're going to hit Create Collection. I'm going to write test 1. And if you see right down here below, we want to check mark this because we want to file it inside the collection set that we want to be able to find it under. So, and I'll show you, I have another collection set in here just to show you as an example, but I have the bride and groom that I've had the sample for, and then test. I'm going to put this under my test because that's how I'm showing you to do it. And then we're going to click Create. You can come right back over here to the Collections tab, and you can see that that filed the test collection under the test collection set. So real briefly, I'm just going to kind of go over, if you're a wedding photographer, this will be really helpful to you. With my collections and collection sets and weddings, every bride and groom gets their own collection set, well actually their own catalog, but then we'll go over that in another tutorial, but they're going to get their own collection set, and then I break it down into different collections. So let's say I need to go back to Lightroom and pull a family photo. I can go right to that collection instead of sorting through over 1,000 pictures. So that's why it's really important to stay organized. So that's it, guys. That's pretty easy. That's all about collections and collection sets.